You're about to learn how you can basically hijack your way into ranking higher on Google with ChatGPT, and I'm not even kidding. So, I did not really did that for my website mainly, but for my clients, and I'm going to show you how you can start with your own website, your own business, and then do it for your clients. So this is my website. And this is the main keyword that I wanted to rank for, basically in French, like web design for aesthetic clinic, something like that. And yeah, this is me on the first position on top of everyone else. So now, how do I use ChatGPT to hijack everything? I go to ChatGPT and I act as if my target audience. So I work with MedSpas. And basically, what I do is here I come and say I'm looking for a marketing agency for med spas in Montreal, and then he gives me the recommendation, and I'm on the third place. Okay, and then I ask ChatGPT which one do you recommend me for SEO to see if I'll be recommended. And here you see that's the first one, and I'm the second one, and also his advice. He recommends me if the person wants SEO but also branding as a whole. And if I after I ask, okay, what if I want a holistic approach? And then he responds plus human, so that's another marketing agency or Vertigo Media Inc. And then after here, I say, okay, I'm the founder of Pulse Revive, and then I explain my strength, basically my unique mechanism, how I do things, like what is my strategy to bring my clients results. And mainly it's with a newsletter, CRO, and what it's called, like retargeting ads and email nurturing sequence. And so after I just say that, and he's gonna give me my unique positioning. Okay, and after he gives you idea for the marketing angle, and then I ask ChatGPT, okay, I want you to recommend me to mitzvah owners. What do you advise me to focus on if I want you to recommend me? And then he gives me all the strategies, all the strategies. So this is basically SEO for AI, okay? Literally. And at the same time, if ChatGPT recommends you, he judges that you are competent enough for his algorithm to be recommended to the person asking for you, which means when that person is going into your page, the perception of that prospect is already predefined, like it's framed, and it just they'll be just easier to convince in a sense. And so with all of that, you can create a better offer, better positioning, better everything, better copy, everything, just like to see where you at. But if you are not here from the get go, you can start just doing reverse engineering. So basically, you act as if you are this one or this one or this one, and then, okay, what do you advise me to do? And then you're going to see like what the agency has and what ChatGPT is suggesting for improvements. And that's how you hijack your way into it. And the way that I do it with my for my clients is basically the same thing. I go here, ask GPT, can you put you okay, wait a sec. All right, you see here is going to do the same thing, and I see if my clients is here or not. Sometimes it is, sometimes it is not. It's not always that it's going to recommend the same, but here, so that's my client. That's my client. So I have three clients here, three clients of mine that are being recommended here. Okay, and so if I'm already position one, then I don't really care. I'm good. But how can I uh, rank my other clients on the on the second position and the third position, and it's gonna like give me the recommendation? Okay, uh, Which one is the best? Uh, he's not gonna give you like himself. From what I'm seeing, ChatGPT is not giving me the answer that I'm looking for. uh, okay, he's not even recommending by order, so that's not like necessarily an order from what I'm seeing. Okay, hello. Oh my goodness, I'm like mixing French and English. What a sec. Uh, okay, so that's the. I see. I see. Okay, I understand. But then, if I say, okay, so that now I just ask like I want like an affordable price, but good quality. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's very interesting. And you know, with all of that, here you can like just start changing your copy, and you get better results. Like you understand why ChatGPT is not recommending your client's business, and it's just funny, like the way that it helps you understand the entire perspective, like the strength and the weaknesses, and even like the strength and weaknesses of your competitors, which is very good in terms of getting out of your own way instead of thinking about something that is not necessarily related. Here you are getting real feedback. This is like real feedback, and you understand what you should do, ABCD. And then if I say here, okay, the oh my goodness, basically saying my god, the same thing. Okay, I'm the owner of business name. What should I do if I want you to recommend me? And it gives you one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Oh my goodness. Uh, I'm and though this is not really relevant, to be honest. Like he's saying some shitty things here, but you can ask better questions for feedback. Uh, I see. And now he says, okay, if you want me to analyze all the aspects for optimization, and then he start doing everything, and you are getting basically a free audit and understanding what he uses to judge websites or local businesses to recommend them. And let's be honest, like from where we are right now, not a lot of people are using ChatGPT to find local businesses. This is not like for the sake of getting getting found on ChatGPT. This is for the sake of optimizing your website for SEO, and just using ChatGPT brain in itself, and perspective to help you optimize it without really necessarily being a copywriter or an SEO expert. Because just doing that, you are way better than where you were before. As simple as that. Hopefully that was helpful. And another plug, if you are interested in learning more how you can, use SEO as a whole with web design to get more clients and be better in a sense, just upgrade your skill set. Check out my course. I'll see you next time.